Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with Card Sketch Challenge number 13. Unlucky for some, but in this case, you rock. So for this one, I've got an ink pad, VersaFine, my mini ink block, which I lost in the last video, a bunch of dies, some stamps, and the letter dies are from Julie Hickey Designs, some patterned paper from the, oh, I missed it. I think it's Grand Designs paper pad from first edition. I really should have kept notes, I suppose. Chopping down a bit of black cardstock to 8 by 6 inches. This will give me my 6 by 4 card base to work on. I'm also chopping down a couple of bits that I can die cut later on. Now there were a couple of bits that I didn't for some reason show at the start of this that might pop up later, so I'll reference them if they do appear. Scoring and folding the card using my mini scoring board. This one's from Couture Creations, but you can get them from whoever. Now to chop down the layers. Now, if you want to know the measurements, head over to my website, gentlemancrafter.com, and you will find in the blog post accompanying this video a downloadable sheet in either UK A4 or US letter size that you can print or store digitally, whatever you prefer, that will have the layout, the dimensions, a few tips, and also a picture of the card that I make in this video for reference. So you can build up a little library for those times when your mojo doesn't rock. Okay, that's all my layers done. I say done, I mean cut out. Now, for the decoration, I'm going to be cutting this weirdly circular starry thing and a circle from orangey card. I chose that based on one of the colours in the paper, and then I'm going to cut a circle of black card as well. All will be revealed. Now while they're cutting, I'm going to start sticking my layers down. No prizes for guessing that I'm using Pinflair bookbinding glue. I think if you know me or have watched any number of my videos, you've probably seen it in every single one. It's my favourite and I hope they never stop making it ever. If they do, I'm probably going to buy it in bulk. Maybe in a truckload, and store it in a special house with extra security on it. It's a bit extreme, isn't it? Anywho, I am using my gridded ruler to line this particular piece up, just because it's the way I'd planned it. You can of course move it around if you feel it suits your design better. Now then, for those die cut bits. So the idea for these two circles was stick one in the middle of the other, and then it looks like a vinyl record. Now I know they've made a resurgence lately, but who remembers buying their 12-inch and 7-inch records and LPs and what do you call them? Oh my god, I've forgotten the name of them now. Singles. Oh dear. I think I'm getting on a bit. I follow a couple of people on Instagram that have massive collections of vinyl records. And I remember being friends with somebody who had literally every Madonna release ever. I never really got into that sort of thing. I mean, I like music. And I did have a fair few CDs which came after that and after cassettes. Oh, it's a bit of a retro flashback, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to die cut the lettering from black cardstock. These are great dies, by the way. If you haven't heard of Julie Hickey Designs, go check her out. She's quite a talented designer. I say quite. She's very, very good. I'm stamping out the word you in this inverted typeface. Leaving that to dry. And then I've got my die cut letters, and you saw how easily they've come out. Pop. No smashing the dies on the table with those. And this time I'm not starting with the central letter, A, because there isn't one, because it's a 4-letter word, but a nice one. Ooh, I just had an idea. I'm pretty sure you can think what I'm thinking, but I'm not going to say it. Anyway, I'm starting from the left-hand side so that I can evenly space those out across the card, but it doesn't matter if I finish early. No, finish early. Finish before the other edge, if you know what I mean. I hope you know what I mean. I mean, I think I'm basically just, after 2 years of lockdown and not really seeing many people or having conversations and being a hermit, I think I am literally falling into random rabble. Random waffle. Okay, there's the word rock. Now I need my word you back, because I want to say you rock. Out with the delicate dainty scissors. And I'm going to need a foam pad for the back of that, but I don't want a big one. I just need to chop down a little bit. Not sure why I bothered trying to get this off with my fingers when I've got the tweezers there, but there you go. See? I think I'm going nuts. And I'm just basically placing that over the word rock. And there you go. You rock. Just like you all. Don't forget to come and share your creations over in the Facebook group that we have now for this card sketch challenge. And I just added a little circle in the middle of the record there, otherwise it wouldn't have gone on the spindle. Okay, there's Card Sketch Challenge 13 done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.